Hey everybody, welcome back to Klink. My name's Harry and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the El Diablo. Now the El Diablo was first referenced to or mentioned in the book, Trader Vic's Book of Food and Drink. I think it was 1946 and that's when it was first referenced. It's a combination of tequila, gingerbeer, lime and normally crème de cassis, which is a blackcurrant liqueur if I'm not mistaken, or blackberry, sorry. We're using Chambord today. I can't speak. We're using Chambord today. It's a very good alternative if you haven't got crème de cassis, and we don't, so that's what we're going to do. First things first, we're going to get our Boston glass shaker right here for us, and we're going to just chuck in 30 mils, I don't even know what I'm doing, 30 mils of freshly squeezed lime juice in like so. And after that, we're going to add 15 mils of Chambord. 15 mils of Chambord. Lovely colour. And now adding 45 mils of our tequila, our Reposado Tequila. Reposado means it's been aged for a minimum of 2 months, normally 2 months to a year. Anything over that is añejo, I think I'm saying that right. So 45 mils in like that, and now I'm just going to add some ice, like so, and give it a good shake. Ooh, there we go. That should do. So, separate that. Ooh. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. So, grab our strainer and we need a glass. So, I've got a prep glass in the fridge. Just here. So, that's been chilling in the fridge. So, when just prepping a glass, just chuck some ice in it, and by the time you've made your drink, that should be all nice and chilled for you. And we're just going to strain that on top. Like so. Awesome. And finally, we're just going to add our gingerbeer. So quite a simple cocktail, just 4 ingredients. Gingerbeer gives it a bit of sweetness as well as a bit of fizz. And now something to garnish it. I was really lazy. I cut up the garnish before I even started making the video. So I've just got it in here. It's all falling. Cool. So just got 2 little lime wheels, or half lime wheels. Ah, they're falling. Don't want it to fall. A bit on that side maybe. That'll do. There we go. A couple of straws. And there we have it, guys. The El Diablo. Enjoy. Cool, so let's give this a taste. Ooh. Oh, that's going to be a popular one. Yeah. Very tequila-y. It's obviously a small glass, so 45 mils goes a long way. But you are shaking it and watering it down. Really nice berry flavours from the Chambord. Yeah, it doesn't need much sweetness. That gingerbeer did a lot, surprisingly, because it's not very much sugar in that one, and the lime is just really well balanced. I really enjoyed that. That is a very tasty beverage. I think I'll probably drink all of that and I'll finish the clean glass club. Oh, perfect. Wow. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Well, I certainly did, but I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you give this one a go. If you do try, we do recommend, just take pictures of it, show us if you want to do like videos, Snapchat videos or whatever, just tag us in it. We've got an Instagram account and a Facebook account, and yeah, subscribe to see more videos. Cheers.